Hello, welcome back. I hope you're doing well. Today me and my daughter are going to show you how we style her hair. It's just 6 easy styles that you can do with your natural hair. We're going to be using Eco Styling Gel, and we're just going to leave you to watch the styles and recreate them for yourself. Things we're using this video will be in the description, so please check them out. I appreciate you watching our videos, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe and share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to leave your comments and I'll try and answer you back. This is our last style, guys, and we hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video with any natural lady or girl that you know. And we hope you enjoy the video, and we appreciate you. We had fun creating all this style, so we hope you like it, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.